Hit the subscribe button to learn from e-learning Sanjis. Welcome to the second lecture of interpolation. In this lecture, we will discuss for equispaced value of x, what are the methods, and for both equispaced and unequispaced value of x, what are the methods to find out the y, and some of the important operators which will be used to find out this Newton's forward and backward method. So first of all, for equispaced value of x, we were using two methods. First is Newton's forward method and Newton's backward method. And for both equispaced and unequispaced value of x, Lagrange's interpolation, Newton's divided interpolation, spline interpolation are three methods which we will use for find the value of y in both equispaced and unequispaced value of x. We will discuss about these five methods later. First, we have to know that some of the important operators which will be used in these methods, and the operators are known as difference operators. There are three types of different operators. First one is forward operators, second one is backward operators, and third one is shift operators. We denote forward operators with the sign of delta, and the backward operators with the sign of del, and shift operators is usually e. So what is forward operators? Forward operators means to move one step forward. If the value of y is y0 and the forward operator symbol is delta, then after in the due to the symbol of forward operators, its value will be y1 minus y0. Similarly, for del of y1, it is y2 minus y1. Now the backward operators. Backward operators is nothing but the opposite of forward operators, and the symbol is also opposite. As you know, for the forward operators it is delta, and the backward operators it is del. For backward operators, if the value of y, it is del of y1, then it will be y1 minus y0. Similarly, for del of y2, it is y2 minus y1. We use these two methods to form a difference table, which we will use in Newton's forward and backward interpolation. Let's know how to form a difference table. We can form the difference table from the value of x and from the value of y. Let the value of x is x0, x1, x2, x3, and the value of y is y0, y1, y2, y3. Then what will be its del? Means forward operators. It is, we know in forward operators it is y1 minus y0. Is y1 minus y0, and is y2 minus y1. It is y3 minus y. And we know before this is nothing but delta y0, and it is delta y1, and it is delta y. Similarly, delta square is delta y1 minus delta y0, and it is delta y2 minus delta y1. And for delta q, it is the delta square y1 minus delta square. In this way, we have to form the difference table.